This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lynn Risch. Gorgeous country acreage in Central Florida. This gently rolling property offers so many options. It features open fields and wooded dales. Wide open spaces, yet private and very peaceful. Stroll through the cooling canopy of oaks alongside the first pasture, through the gate to the next two pastures. Bring your choice of animals and live the farm life. Or build the house of your dreams, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Still close to all you want or need, 10 miles to the Turnpike, minutes to Mission Inn, for golf and restaurants. 20 miles to the villages. Less than 1 hour to Disney and the theme parks. There is an old farmhouse, built in 1938 on the front corner of the property. It needs substantial repairs to become livable but could be a nice home with some elbow grease and vision. For more information, review the details below.